Jikijela Mkhonto Jikijela. Wow. What an organization. Ake sixoxe ngomkhonto wesizwe nje, the current affairs, izinto ezenzakala kumkhonto wesizwe. Right. Siyamazi undodalwana uFloyd Shivambu owasuka ku-EFF waya kumkhonto wesizwe, and he has been adamantly saying ukuthi it is the best, the most sound decision that he has ever took in his life ukujoyina umkhonto wesizwe. And now sesimbona kumkhonto wesizwe sebemdlalisa njengebhola nje manje kwenzakalani. Is it still the most sound decision that we ever took? I think abantu they know ukuthi mina I was against his stance when he left EFF, ukuthi avela athi I'm not only leaving EFF but I'm joining EMK. Yabona, he could have done it njengabanye like abodala Mpofu and other people, because for him now it's gonna be very difficult ukuthi abuyele emuva. Abantu be-EFF, they are not going to forgive him, and even the constitution says it. Even if Julius Malema tried wathi yena I can breach this constitution, Maguti, it's you often we are back, I will always welcome you. I think at that time he was feeling sad to Julius, but now I don't think uzamyamukela back. So now uFloyd Shivambu, we know ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu was part of that group here, EFF, abakhampenayo, abo-Fees must fall, abo-Zuma must fall, Gupta must fall, who were cleaning up, belungisa ama-school fees ema-university. They impeached uPresident Jacob Zuma. And the impeachment president, it's not something that you can just take lightly for that. No, that's a huge thing. It's an embarrassment for not only here in South Africa but the world over. President abantu beku-impeach, it's a very embarrassing thing. So it was naive for Floyd Shivambu ukuthi acabanga ukuthi uJacob Zuma uzamxolela. And I said this last week, omunye umuntu wakhomenta kuma-comments wamathi no, uFloyd Shivambu is still an MK member. There is nothing wrong about him. He's just being changed from his ESG to a member of parliament. So I said to him, no, this is a demotion. From a secretary general, the one who actually deploys people to parliament, to now being that person who's going to be deployed. Whether you're going to be deployed or not, you don't know. So that was a demotion. And for abantu abangaziyo abaningi, it's a huge demotion from a secretary general to just be a member of parliament. And it was not going to go well with uFloyd. No manje echilo what he's going to toe the line and all that. But now, boom, there is an article that has been circulating that has shown the list of the names of people MK who are going to parliament, and uFloyd is not in that name. So this is a conundrum now. What is it about uFloyd? Is he getting alienated now? Is he getting punished for his izinto abezenza le EFF during the impeachment with Jacob Zuma? What is it? There's a lot of things that come to light, and abanye abantu bareza kakhulu attitude. They are saying ukuthi uFloyd has got a bad attitude. He disrespects people, and he doesn't recognize ukuthi this organization that he joined, he was not there in the formation of that organization. Maybe he carries that character from EFF, the party that he actually started from the bottom. So he carried that stature with him, or that character with him, to MK, and it didn't apply well. So we see him having problems with especially ladies, the ladies, and those people who claim ukuthi they are day ones of Imkhonto wesizwe. How can someone comes from a different party which has been probably our enemy and is now given ESG out of the blue? Yes, of course, uFloyd is very smart when it comes to politics, but he's not the only one who's smart. There's a lot of people who are smart. So yes, he's a good political player, but is he a good political player when things like this happen? If he fails to recognize ukuthi in politics there's nothing called forgiveness and all that. No, it's just settling scores. People settle scores. So now Jacob Zuma is settling his score with Floyd Shivambu, and he actually shook EFF ngothatha uFloyd Shivambu. So he did a very, very huge thing. But unfortunately, the EFF still stands because I believe with EFF they still stand by their word. They don't back down. I want like other people with they will change their stance once things don't go well. No, they have always been in their word with they stuck with their constitution and their policies. So that's why EFF still stands today. And most of the people who have been going out, like what Julius Malema said, everyone who goes out of EFF is not successful politically. Yabona, so it's turning out to be true again of Floyd. So Floyd, his name not being there in the list of these people going to parliament might push him ukuthi agcine se resign, or he might resign before kuyiwe parliament. Yabona, because how will he face these young guys? Malema has got young lions. He even said to it, now I've got young guys there in parliament. We are waiting for him, so they are going to eat him alive there. So, and for him, Floyd, from being an SG, parliament, it's not a good thing. It's not a good, to us, abantu thina, we don't see the difference between the positions, but to them, the political players, they know from an SG to a member of parliament, that's a huge downgrade. That might even lead to Floyd resigning. But now, I said to Floyd, he has got issues with women. He has got issues with women. He's got issue with Duduzile Zuma. He's got issues with Mary Party. So with Duduzile Zuma, we don't know what Floyd doing, but Duduzile was always vocally, if you know, early this year when she was saying what you can fuck off Floyd, fuck you, what. So it shows what they had some misunderstanding, although Dudu went on to withdraw the words, but it shows what she meant, what she was saying. And the fact that he was not, there was no action taken by the party to punish Dudu, because there was a breach of constitution there as a member of Umkhonto weSizwe. So she was supposed to be punished somehow, but she's not. So it shows what she holds a very, very special position there in Umkhonto weSizwe. And by the way, she's the one who approves those names that are going to parliament. And now because she's got beef with Floyd, I don't think she would approve igama Floyd going to parliament. And also Mary Party. Okay, now Uzuma, if maybe abantu bafungwazi ukuthi why Uzuma did he not punish umntanakhe uDuduzile when she insulted the Secretary General. I would say uDuduzile, she probably knows a lot of secrets zikababakhe that ubaba is now afraid to punish this kid, because the kid now is in the playground lobabakhe, so she knows the secrets ukuthi ubaba uwathandana lobani, ubaba wenzani. So those things that maybe Uzuma ngafuna ukuthi zaziwe ifamily. So I think those are the things that make him shy from punishing his daughter Duduzile Zuma. But Mary Party, a week or two ago, she made a video or an interview where she was saying ukuthi she doesn't like the behavior of Floyd. Floyd came there to impeach her as a convener. Floyd was cleaning up, he was this political scientist, as Uzuma said. So he was cleaning up, going to provinces. So Mary Party, you can go and listen to the interview. She was saying Floyd was a bit disrespectful. Let's go to the wall. He didn't have even a small briefing with these people who organized this event. He just said, okay, let's go guys, let's go to the hall to announce, and then he went off, took off. So from there you can see Mary Party, she didn't like it. And Mary Party holds a huge position there, Umkhonto weSizwe, an unofficial position, which is like maybe she's like a shareholder of that party. Yabona. And she's powerful, Mary Party. She's the boss in Mpumalanga. Yabona. She's leading men in this tracking business. She's not someone to play with. Yabona. So Floyd must be careful in playing with such people. So they are the ones who are getting him out of the party. And Mary Party said it's time for Floyd to go a week ago. And now we see him getting excluded, getting demoted from SG, getting excluded from the list of parliament. So we will see, because Shamulo Ndlela, the spokesperson of Umkhonto weSizwe, said they are trying to amend that list and put uFloyd there, but who's going to be removed? And that person who's going to be removed then will be disgruntled and will also start another fire. So yeah, uFloyd is in this for himself. He is very it's very unfortunate that he finds himself in this situation, because I know ukuthi he probably thought ukuthi this is a moving wagon umkhonto wesizwe, but it seems like umkhonto wesizwe is not going anywhere. It is captured by women, captured by business people, tracking people. It's not gonna do it.